Hello, boys and girls. We're gonna start our online lesson today with a topic called fashion in future. Learning objectives. Learning objectives that this lesson is contributing to. Understand the main points in a growing range of short, simple texts on general and curricular topics. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about limited range of general topics. Give an opinion at sentence and discourse level of an increasing range of general curricular. Use a growing variety of future forms, including present continuous with future meaning on a range of familiar, general, and curricular topics. Smart clothes. And now, let's learn new words. Repeat after me. In summer, we wear a cap, flip-flops, shorts, sandals, a t-shirt, a swimsuit, a dress, trousers. In autumn, we wear a jacket, a blazer, a hoodie, a coat, boots, shoes, trainers, a shirt, a suit, trousers or pants, jeans. In winter, we wear a fur coat, jeans, snow pants, high boots, a turtleneck, a jersey hat, a scarf. And in spring, we wear a raincoat, boots, jeans, suit, sneakers, blazer, cardigan, and poncho. Let's revise future simple tense. Future simple tense refers to an action that takes place in the uncertain or distant future. A simple future tense in English is commonly used with circumstances like tomorrow, ертең, next year, келесі жылы, in 5 years, 5 жылда, in 2095, 2095 жылы. To the pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, we add auxiliary verb will plus verb play. I will play. You will play. In negative sentence, we add not to the auxiliary verb. You will not play. She will not play. In question form, we start sentence with will. Will you play? Will they play? Examples. I will play tennis tomorrow. Мен ертең теннис ойнаймын. She will buy a car this year. Ол осы жылы машина сатып алады. He will call you back. Ол саған қайта қоңырау шалады. It will help you. Ол саған көмектеседі. Exercise 1. Clothes of the future. What will the jeans, dresses and shoes be like in future? Write down 3 or 4 sentences of your thoughts about the future fashion. Use the future simple. Assessment criteria. Presents ideas logically using cohesive devices correctly. Uses correctly the future simple and its forms. Pronounce the majority of words correctly, no more than 2 root mistakes. English speakers often use the present continuous tense, subject plus be, verb plus ing, to talk about future arrangements. A future arrangement is a plan that you have decided and organized with another person. I'm spending Christmas and New Year with my mom and dad. We are meeting Susan at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Present continuous with future meaning. What are you doing after school? I'm buying tickets for Saturday's match. We use the present continuous to talk about fixed arrangement in near future. Next week is a holiday and I have lots of things to do. On Monday, I'm meeting my friends and we're going to the cinema. On Thursday, I'm visiting my grandparents. On Wednesday, I'm playing tennis with my older brother. On Thursday, my parents are taking me to the dentist. And on Friday, my best friend is having a party for her birthday. So here we use the present continuous to talk about arrangement in the future, the things that we want to do with another person's in future. And now the task. You should match this sentence together and look up to the example. I'm flying to Spain for a holiday. I got the plane tickets. The future forms. Remember, we can use the present continuous to talk about arrangements, plans which you have organized in the future. Be careful, we usually use the present continuous when the activity has been arranged. We usually use going to for a plan which hasn't been arranged. I'm meeting Emma after school. I have talked to her and organized the time to meet. I'm going to watch TV after school. This is my plan, but I haven't organized it. We say and we don't say. My grandma is visiting us next week. Not my grandma visits us next week. We're going to Spain for our holiday. Not we go to Spain for our next holiday. Is he helping his mom tomorrow? Not is he tomorrow helping his mom. That will be wrong. And finally, the third exercise. Ask your friends, ask your friend or family questions to find out if they have any future arrangements. If they say yes, what they are going to do. On exercise 4, you should write and draw. Imagine you are a famous movie star. What are you doing tomorrow? Write about your arrangements and draw a picture. And as usual, don't forget about powerful feedback. I'm really thankful for your attention. Goodbye, my dear students. Sağ olun der.